Higher rates, higher inventory, lower rates, lower inventory. Let's go ahead and unpack that here as we go into 2024. Hey everyone, this is Zaid Hanna with the Hanna Group here at Real Estate 38, and we always start with what's active this week. We have 451 total actives. By the way, in comparing to a year ago, we're lower in actives. And at the same time, 367 pendings. We are higher in pendings in comparison to a year ago. So what's really happening in the market right now? Again, the same story that I've been telling for the past couple of weeks, 70 to 100 people through open houses. This is, by the way, single family homes only in terms of having that amount of activity on it. So why did I start with higher interest rates would equal to higher inventory? Simply, it's actually pushing the buyers out of the market versus the past 2, 3, 4 weeks, we have seen interest rates that are actually starting with the 5.875. So there was a lot of activity, a lot of buyers are in the market. These are the buyers that have been looking for quite some time, and pretty much they're ready to buy. Look at the stock market. Their down payment is higher. The comfort level in terms of going into the market, they've been looking for the past couple of years, and they are ready. And that's what's happening here. It's going to happen for the next 2 to 3 months until we see that increase in inventory, but we would need the rates to stay elevated for us to see increased inventory. If you're looking in the market, let us guide you through what months are better than others. Feel free to reach out, 408-515-1613. Talk to you later.